All right, I am going to show you on the board like this when this part gets burned. These right here will get damaged. And do not order this if you have the gray one. I don't think this will work. But if you have the green one that looks like this, I'm going to show you how to do it. Now, you'll get your part from us and it will have these in it. But those are already soldered on, so you really don't need those parts. So I'm going to pull one of them out to show you what it looks like. So basically what you would do is take your screwdriver, just a Phillips, and completely unscrew it where it quits moving in there. You'll see it stop moving. But then you can take a pair of pliers and grab the bottom part in the back and just start prying out. It's tight in there. But once you get it out, it's no big deal. A little bit hard to get out. There we go. You can see it. It popped right out. So when it came out, it also it slung across the room, by the way. So I'm just going to show you that that's how you get it out. Just make sure you don't lose the parts. So I'm going to show you one that's already apart so we don't waste any time. So basically, it's going to look like that when you pull them out. So you just drop those three out just like that. And you put them on your board with this part facing forward. So you stick it down in there like that. Stick that one in there like that. Stick that one in there like that. And then you take this part, you can see the screws are still in there. Just line it up right on the top. And of course, you're going to take the old one off. I didn't show you all that because if you're going to do this job, you got to have some mechanical ability. So you just kind of line it up. And press it in. Bit forward. There she is. I slid it forward. That was the answer. So then you just take these and you start them in. You can see that it will start pulling it up. So once you get the three of them threaded and they're starting up like that, you can reinstall your board and get it all ready to go. And it is just that easy to replace this. The other style I have on the site, which is the CS990. This is the 992 version. The 990 solders on completely. This one, as long as this is not damaged, it's as simple as doing what I just did. You unscrew these, pull the old one off, take the new parts apart like I showed you, pull these out, stick them on there, thread them in, and you're back in business. That will save you the price of a whole board. Just that simple. I don't know much, but I do know hot tubs. I am the spa guy. Bye today.